The climate is changing.
Hotter days,
damaging storms,
hurricane-force winds,
heavy downpours,
and frequent flooding
already feature regularly in our lives across the world.
and as sea levels rise,
coastal communities are the first to feel the impact.
climate change is devastating our coastal ecosystems.
Eroding our coastlines,
destroying connections of our past to our present.
and flooding our communities.
but heritage and we who care for heritage can help.
Our job is to understand existing sites and artefacts before they are lost forever.
We work with communities to understand coastal heritage and climate change across
England, Scotland, Wales and Ireland, and find evidence we need to understand the past environments,
Ecosystems, societies, industries,
And how changes in climate have and continue to affect them.
By understanding the past
and sharing its stories now, we can build resilience for the future.